Recording the sewer line here at 3211 Northwest 71st, dates April 8th, 2020. I'm recording this from the clean out in the back of the backyard here, kind of next to the back porch. What we're looking at here is the Seattle City main tie-in. I've been running quite a bit of water through the line here with a hose, so we're going to give that a second to drain out. As you can see, we're dropping into a larger diameter pipe. There is the main, and then we're going to come back towards 3211's house, and so this is the side sewer of 3211. We're in 6-inch plastic, so at some point somebody's done a repair out there by the main. We're coming back, so this is under the street out on 71st, I believe. I'll double check the map, but I believe this is going out onto 71st. Coming back, this is 6-inch concrete pipe, old 6-inch line. And as we come back, we'll start to see some of this root intrusion that causes the blockages here. So coming back, there's a section of roots. There's a big old section of roots. I saw quite a few on the way out here. So big section of roots there. Massive section there. So you see these roots are just choking off about 90% of the 6-inch pipe. That's a lot of buildup there on the top.
Good.
Ooh.
Well done.
So that's a big one there.
Yeah. Well, we're just saying, Steve got here. He stuck his camera down the line, and
we're
down there.
coming back here further.
We're start cleaning up, and yeah, we literally just got.
There's some of that water still flowing through there. I think we're back in our 4-inch line now. That's what it looks like.
Right.
Old 4-inch concrete. There's some roots coming in through there. There is a turn, tie-in, turn there. Might be the other side, the kitchen side of the house, tying in over there.
Okay. There's that floor still downstairs.
See the roots coming in at the top there.
That's what we'll do.
Roots coming in there. Roots and a little bit of a turd there.
Cool. Cool. Yeah. No worries, man. Yeah, we'll do that. For sure. You bet, man. 4? Alright, man.
There's some root there.
I got it, man.
There's the Bob Oates installed repair here. So we dug at the 90 where it was broken here and installed a new section of pipe. And this is coming back towards the clean out we're at here now. A little bit of roots there. And we're back in this clean out access. So you can see there's about 1 inch or so of water that sits along the bottom of the pipe here. We're going to shoot a liner through here to smooth out this section of pipe, section of concrete. It is a little bit flat through here, but we're gonna smooth it out. So there's gonna be a liner installed from this plastic point back to this plastic point here, and then another 15 or so feet downstream past that. So I'm ending the video there.